What's up, my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys the newest case from the folks at Mous. I can't describe this other than the equivalent to the rugged case from the folks at Nomad. Right here in my hand, I've got the walnut, but this is their limitless 5.0 AirShock technology. They came out with an Atlantic blue and a forest green. Luckily, I got myself a forest green here before they sold out. Here's what this is gonna look like. With that said, Mous never sent these to me complimentary. I did pay for them, and this is not a sponsored video, but I do have a relationship with them, so just know where that bias is. However, I do have a link down below in the description here, which will help out the channel if you guys want to check it out. I'll have links to all these products and cases here for you guys to check out. My go-to is the walnut case with the limitless. I really love it here. Let's go and check out here their newest Magsafe case. I don't know what to call it. Again, it's named after its color rather than maybe its style, but it's all included in their limitless lineup. With that said, it looks pretty similar here, but there we go. The biggest difference here is that the polycarbonate material is colored. All the other material there has always been black, or it's been their like gray colors. You can see all of them are lined with that. This is their brand new color here. Oh my gosh, it's actually like, it's FineWoven. This is the fabric. It's very similar to their speckled fabric. Okay, interesting. You should be able to see the texture of the fabric. The textile looks nice. It's really clean. And then it similarly, it does, you know, it's glued and pressed up against this edge here, and then it goes into the really high quality limitless case. Very interesting. I wasn't really expecting that. I was looking at the product details here before I went into it. It didn't say anything about it being fabric, so that's kind of nice. The only problem here is it is scratchable. You can kind of see inlaid in my scratches with my fingernails, which is unfortunate. The FineWoven is garbage. Don't get FineWoven. With that said, around the edge here, you've got the Limitless 5.0, which includes this ergonomic grip, as well as the slot here on both sides for the wrist strap, which is nice. You got these, the volume rocker, as well as the action button. Lined all the way around the edge is the polycarbonate material. You've got the punch out here for the I/O, as well as the other side. Lined on the inside is this microfiber material, as I was alluding to. You've got the Magsafe, as well as the AirShock lining. It's like a rubber on the inside, which is going to provide you that maximum drop protection, which is nice. I really like this. It's sleek. It bows a little bit here, but I think it's got, in general, a bigger chin and forehead, so it provides you that protection. But as you can see, it kind of feels like it's bowed a little. Let's place my phone in here the first time. Ooh, those bezels are really, really thick. That's much thicker than I'm used to here. As you can see, it provides probably a 1/16 and 1/8 of an inch extra thickness. That might not be optimal for you guys that are trying to go light. In the event of a drop, it's gonna provide you extra protection because there's a lip on the forehead and chin. It's gonna rub against the case itself rather than the screen. As you see here, you've got that really cool black titanium juxtaposed against the forest green. I think that is really nice to the touch, and it just looks pleasing to the eye. You can see the titanium reflecting. That just looks fantastic. Magsafe compatibility here, we're gonna go ahead and show you a couple of different accessories here that grip onto the side here. This is an LED iWalk 5000 milliamp battery. You can see that it charges Magsafe there just fine. It's got a nice key ring here in the event that you wanna have it hold up, or you know, put it up here for like TikTok and whatnot. With that said here, you can opt into something a little more creative, which is the SnapGrip from the folks at ShiftCam. This is my go-to for content creation here, doing vlogs, doing B-roll, all that good stuff. It's got a nice shutter button as well as a 5000 milliamp battery that charges at about 5 watts as well. You can see the animation there. And then you've even got this adjustable head that's nice for getting that right angle for, you know, vlogging and whatnot. Lastly here, for more utility, I've got a 3-in-1 charger pad here that is, yeah, I think it's like 30 or 40 watts, but split up here, the maximum is like 10 here. I think Magsafe can do 15. I'm not exactly sure. You can check it from the manufacturer's site. Nonetheless, it's going to charge here through Magsafe. I've even got the Mous leather protecting case for my AirPods Pro 2. And then I've got, obviously, the Apple Watch, which can charge as well, which is nice. All of it's charging here, and you can have like the LED lights that turn on, which is kind of cool. I like that. With that said, I'm really excited to be able to see this brand new case in action. It looks really, really cool in their promotional. Having it in the hand is fantastic. It's equipped with their limitless 5.0 technology, which includes the AirShock rubber inlay, as well as MagSafe compatibility. This case is best in class for its drop protection, and it's really sleek in the hand.